Hey you guys, this is Quanshay, and I just wanted to come and let y'all know about this Crest Pro Health. It's really good, and I've been using it for a long time. Actually, we caught this one on sale at CVS. I think it was $4.99, and you get the four extra care bucks, $4 extra care bucks back. And I like it because once you rinse your mouth out with it, it kind of gives a little burn. But when you spit it out in the sink, you can see what is cleansing out your mouth, all the, I guess, bacteria and the residue. You can see it in the sink. And it's supposed to be good with gingivitis. It kills germs and reduces plaque. And it's 24-hour protection, and you can use it twice a day. But I just wanted to let you guys know about it because I really, really like it. And this one is called the Crest Pro Health Anti-Gingivitis and Anti-Plaque Oil Rinse. So, yeah, I really like this one. And this one is the mint kind. It's the green kind. So if you guys want to go by and pick it up or try it, I think you'll like it. So subscribe to my channel and come and watch some more videos, and I'll let y'all know about some other stuff that I be using. So y'all have a good night, and thank you for watching.